guys, it's Aaron. Ever since Ariana Grande released her new single, God is a Woman, I was inspired to create something using the colors on her cover art. So today, I have a God is a Woman inspired water marble nail look. If you want to learn how to achieve this manicure, then keep on watching. Start by painting your nails with a pale blue. If your polish is streaky like mine, then use 2 coats. When that dries, wrap all your nails in tape for easy cleanup. Use one piece to cover the sides and under your nail, and another piece above your nail, like shown. For the water marble, I chose 4 more colors from Ariana's cover art to use in addition with the pale blue I used as a base color. You want to use polishes that are rather new so that they spread easily on the water. Next, get a glass of water and fill it almost to the top. Put your polishes close to the glass with the tops already unscrewed. Start dripping the polishes in any order you like. Work quickly so that the polish on the surface of the water doesn't dry, or else you won't be able to draw a design. I find that 4 different colors for one nail is enough. When you are done dripping your polishes, get a toothpick and draw a design in the polish. I'm just kind of swirling the polish around rather than drawing a neat design so that I can get an effect similar to the look on Ariana's cover art. When you find a spot in the design that you like, line up your nail above it and dunk it in the water. Start blowing at the remaining polish around your nail so that it dries. Then grab a toothpick and sweep up the excess polish using a twirling motion. When you lift your nail out of the water, don't pull it straight up as you can risk unwanted parts of polish getting onto the surface of your nail. Kind of push it back under the water like I did. Turn your finger so your nail is facing up, then pull it out of the water. Now just repeat this on all of your nails. A pro tip when you are drawing your design is that you don't drag your toothpick through the very first polish color you drip, or else this will happen. This is because that first layer is usually dry by the time you start drawing, so start with the second color. Just remember to be patient, because once the polish is on the water, it's kind of out of your control. I fast forwarded through the last clip of water marbling in case you guys wanted to see one more example. Once you water marbled all your nails, peel off the tape from your fingers. Add a top coat to seal in the look. And that's it! God is a Woman inspired nails. If you liked this nail look, then please give this video a like. If you want to see more nail looks from me, then please subscribe down below. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.